Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be doing another how-to on gym makeup for brown skin. So the first thing we're going to do is start with our primer. Of course, this is going to make sure that everything that we use on our skin, it actually stays on our skin as we're working out and getting our sweat on. Okay, so you just want to apply that all over your face and make sure that it is a thin layer. In combination with that, we are going to go in with our all-nighter spray by Urban Decay in Ultra Matte, and we're going to spray that over our entire face as well because we want to reinforce that primer and we want to lock in any products that we are using on our skin today. So first, before we do anything, I am going to start with some color correcting because as you can see, I have some dark spots, and I'm going to go in with the LA Pro Girl concealer in my orange corrector and in Fawn. And I'm going to use the orange corrector first on every dark spot that I have. Then I'm going to go over that with the shade Fawn. Now, a really cool makeup hack is using artist brushes to do your makeup and apply your makeup. So I will be using a artist brush to blend out our product. And y'all, these things will save you so much time. And I got these from Walmart, maybe $2 or $3. So I spray it with water first, and then I'm going in so I can kind of move that product around where I want it at. And then we're going to go in and blend that product in so it can be seamless and as undetectable as possible. Because we are going for a very natural look. This is no foundation. We don't want to feel any product on our skin as you're working out, especially because we don't want to clog any pores as we are sweating, right? You want to make sure that you also spray that sponge down with some water as well, just so that you can easily move that product around. Now for brows, guys, you guys know my brow routine. I have showed it so many times. So obviously I'm going to go in with my Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz Pencil in dark brown. And I'm going to go in with the Anastasia Brow Gel as well. And we're just going to fill in those brows very lightly. I really love to still see the skin inside of my brows. I don't like very thick. I like to keep it as natural as possible. The only thing different I'm doing today with my brows is using this really cool brow hack, but you basically just place your brow pen right on the tail end of your nose, and that'll tell you exactly where your brows should start. And then we're going to go back in and clean those brows up. Okay guys, so now that we are done with brows, we are going to start on this face. Okay, so I'm going to go in with my NYX setting spray. This has become one of my really like low maintenance setting sprays. It's called the Bear With Me, and it's a primer, a setter, and a finish, and it lasts up to 8 hours as well. So I just want my skin to look really hydrated. I kind of want the no makeup look, so I'm going to spray this all over my face. It has this beautiful finish, and now I'm going to go in with a little bit of concealer, and I'm using the Too Faced Born This Way concealer. We all know this is the holy grail, and this is in the shade Maple. I love this because it is full coverage, but a little goes a long way. Okay, so I'm just going to place that everywhere that I want to conceal, and we're going to wet a sponge, and we're going to blend this thing out. As always, you want to make sure that you are starting off on the corners first so you can blend out those harsh lines. Then you move up into the product. I'm also going to make sure to put this over my eyes to prep my eye for a little bit of minimal shadow. And then I'm going to pat the excess on other places where I would like to conceal without applying any more product. Going in with the Laura Mercier, you guys, I'm going to go ahead and set my eyes to make sure that we don't have any creasing. I'm not going to let it sit too long. I just immediately brush it off. For cheeks, we are going in with the Milani Cheek Kiss Liquid Blush. I love this blush, and I believe this is in Rose. Beautiful pink shade. It's giving like everyday makeup look. If you have not gotten your hands on the liquid blushes, you guys, you have to try it. Milani Cosmetics has beautiful affordable products, and I'm just going to start blending that product out as much as possible. And I did place some over my nose as well. And like I said, I love Milani Cosmetics products, so of course I'm going to use their palette today. I'm going to go in with this shallow shade, which is like a skin tone shade. It's not a color, but we want to make sure that we set those eyes, and we want it to be very natural. Now I'm going to go in with the bronze shade in that same palette, and I'm just going to place that bronzer right in the crease just to give this eye look a little bit of dimension, but still keeping it extremely natural. Nothing too crazy because we're just going to the gym, girl. But this is for the girls that want to do a little something extra when they do go to the gym. This is going to get you noticed for sure without doing too much. Now, because I have some breakouts here and there, I'm going to take my CoverGirl liquid eyeliner pen, and I'm going to start placing like some beauty marks where else that I'm having a few little breakouts. Now I'm going to go in with the MAC, my favorite lip liner in Chestnut, and I'm going to line my lips. And then I'm actually going to go in with the same blush that we use for our cheeks. I'm just going to pat some of that over my lip just to give me like a natural lip shade. I didn't want like a full lipstick, but I did want like a faint color on my lips, kind of like a natural lip color, but a little elevated. And honey, this just must be like a Milani day because I didn't even notice I use majority of Milani products, but I'm going in with a Milani Fruit Fetish lip oil, and this is in Raspberry Peach. Beautiful shade. I think everybody was raving about their lip oils on TikTok, and they were right, girl. If I can get more, I would. Love this lip oil, and this is just for the girls who like gloss. I'm okay with not wearing gloss, so I am gonna do just one layer of gloss so you guys can see how it looks to keep it natural, and then I applied a little bit more later so you guys can see how this product is so buildable. It's not sticky, great for the gym, and it smells absolutely amazing. Now to finish our look, we're going to go back in with that NYX Bear With Me Set Prime and Finishing Spray just to give us that hydrated look again. And I'm going to show you guys 3 styles that I would wear to the gym. So first things first, this is my ab day hair. I like to keep my hair down sometimes. Then we have to do an updo, okay? This is when you know this is cardio day, okay? Full body cardio day. And the last buns, this is our leg and glute day, honey. As you guys know, I am on a fitness journey, so I can't wait to show you guys my progress with that as well. And thank you guys so much for getting us to 500 subscribers. I love y'all so much. Thank you for watching this video, and I will see you in my next one.